Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a live chat widget to your GoHighLevel account. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to start adding a live chat widget to your GoHighLevel account, which is kind of going to look like this right here. So when someone actually messages you on your website, it'll be a live two-way chat. Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but what you're first going to do is that you're going to log onto your GoHighLevel account. Next, click on Sites on the left-hand side. And then on the upper right hand corner, you want to click on Chat Widget. So here is where you're going to see a list of your available chat widgets for your website. Click on New on the upper right hand corner. And then next, click on Chat Widget or Live Chat. So live chat is a real-time two-way conversation within the chat widget. And this is great for teams with 24/7 coverage and with conversation AI. So you're just going to click on Select. So that right there, just follow the on-screen prompts as far as editing and adjusting your live chat widget goes. But if you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next